Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing WorldMark Rancho Vistoso. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. An outdoor pool and hot tub are available at this family-friendly apartment-style hotel, just a 40-minute drive from downtown Tucson. Rooms feature a full kitchen, a sitting area with cable TV and a Murphy bed, a bed that pulls down from the wall, is available in each room at the WorldMark Rancho Vistoso. Laundry facilities, barbecue facilities, and either a balcony or patio are also included. A children's playground and a game room featuring pool and ping-pong are available at the Rancho Vistoso WorldMark. A fitness center is also on site. Tucson Mountain Park is a 45-minute drive from the property. El Conquistador Country Club is a 15-minute drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.